Hi, Rana Ukas here from Technical SEO team Parliament. Today we will learn how to find the internal links using ChatGPT. So I have a website. I want to add some internal links on this web page. 3 to 5 internal links are ideal for better ranking. So I will visit the sitemap of this website and open this SEO sitemap extractor. Okay. Now I will copy the URLs, paste here. I will remove the URL which I want to use for internal links. Copy the content, or you can like read this page content and find 4 to 5 internal link opportunities. So here's the prompt, send this. Okay. Now let's wait for the output. Okay. We can integrate burst smelly or experiencing allergy-like symptoms. Link to this article, how to clean earbuds and damage your home, eat away at wall floors and ceilings. We can interlink this anchor text with this page. So here we have 3 to 5 internal link opportunities, which is based on the AI analysis. Also, it's not using the exact word or keyword phrase or partial match. It's using the intent, it's using the semantic, and it's finding the internal link with other words or the user intent. So it's the easy way and the perfect way to find internal links. Thank you.